In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase to TradingView 2025 full tutorial. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your TradingView account and have your Coinbase login ready. We'll begin right on a chart so the trading tools load properly. On TradingView, open a chart and search for BTC/USD, then load that chart. I'm using BTC/USD as a demo asset because it's widely followed and loads quickly, but any symbol will work for this connection process. The point is simply to have an active chart open so the trading panel can attach to it. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and open the trading panel. This is where TradingView lists its supported brokers and exchanges. Once the panel opens, find and select Coinbase Advanced. This is the integration that allows TradingView to route orders directly to your Coinbase account. Click it to bring up the connection option. Now click Connect. TradingView will open a secure window or new tab that takes you to Coinbase. If you're not already signed into Coinbase, log in as you normally would. You may be asked to complete a verification step, such as a code sent to your device, which is standard for security. On the Coinbase consent page, take a moment to review the details. You'll see the permissions that TradingView is requesting, typically the ability to view your balances and place and manage orders on your behalf. Click the highlighted prompt on the page to proceed, then choose Allow Access. This grants TradingView the authorization it needs to connect to your Coinbase account. Always double check you're on the official Coinbase site and that the permissions match what you expect before continuing. Once you allow access, you'll be sent back to TradingView. In the trading panel, you should now see Coinbase Advanced marked as connected. If you open the order ticket, you'll notice your account is available and you can place buy and sell orders directly from the chart. Make sure you select the correct order type, market, limit, or stop, and confirm the quantity and pair before submitting. If you only want to practice, switch to paper trading instead of placing live orders. If the window didn't appear during connection, disable any pop-up blockers and try again. If the connection fails, recheck that you approved access on Coinbase and that you're logged into the correct accounts on both platforms. And that's it. You've connected Coinbase to TradingView so you can analyze, place, and manage trades without leaving your chart.